How to fix Marcus cannot transfer to bank. To fix the Marcus cannot transfer to bank issue, first of all, you have to confirm your linked bank account. Go to the official Marcus.com website, navigate to the links account. Once you log into your account, you simply have to look for the unverified or action required status tag from the linked accounts option. If Marcus sent two small micro deposits to your external bank, check that bank statement and find the exact true amount and type them into the Marcus portal to unlock the routing. Once you do this, you simply have to check for the funds availability hold timelines. Newly deposited funds are heavily restricted. Marcus routinely places a 1 to 5 business day hold on incoming money before it becomes available for outgoing transfer. You simply have to review your account dashboard details to see if your funds are still clearing the standard holding window. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.